Hey guys, we are back again, and now I'm here to talk to you about the good keywords that I know. And first off, from a bulk perspective, a good keyword it's one keyword that provides a very large amount of results that meet the criteria that you're interested in. In my case, my typical bulk posting criteria is 2-day shipping. This isn't just for the shipping speed increase. I've found that 2-day shipping items have way less problems than non-2-day shipping items. They are both returned quicker and delivered quicker. They tend to be in stock more frequently. They tend to be sold in higher quantities, and they tend to be in the price range that I am targeting, which is under $35, so that I almost always I pay $6 of shipping. I try and target anything that is less than the free shipping threshold on Walmart.com that also is 2-day shipping eligible. I think that at its core is the best bulk that I currently know. I do believe that one of the other reasons 2-day shipping is important is because Walmart sells a lot of kind of fodder items. And these are items that I think they're more to just let Walmart say, hey, we sell 2 million items, because like 5 million of them are like different models of tires and other automotive parts. And another million of them are just cups with pictures. And we just put a bunch of different pictures. And there's there's this. Let me show you guys examples. 3D Rose. Look how many results this will have. 100,000, right? 100,000. So what 3D Rose is it's just items that have prints on them, and it's the same items with different prints. So they have like thousands of coffee mugs and it's like very specific items. And some of these sell, but I find that there's so many of them that it's just like, it's frustrating. And I end up like bulk posting a list, and it's like, why is 30% of this list coffee mugs? Like the same coffee mugs oh my God. It was frustrating. But so a good post, a good keyword, probably the best bulk keyword I've come across is supply. And this is because of the sheer amount of results you get. So right off the bat, it's a 40 result page. And I haven't really explained too much about that in this course. But Walmart shows you results either 20 at a time or 40 at a time. And nowadays I use software to scan the results, but I used to do this manually. And when you do it manually, this number being 40 means that you can get the list of URLs twice as quick as if this number is 20. So that's really good. And also, there's 1.8 million results here. So this is a little bit misleading because this is just 1.8 million results of the raw keyword supply. We haven't filtered it into what we actually want to post for our bulk items. So to get a sense of that, I would click 2-day shipping. That's the biggest one. That's going to really narrow it down. Like, look at that. It went down to 96,000 items. That's not very many at all. But now, to get a sense of how many of these would be eligible for bulk, we're going to change the price range here. I don't post items that cost me less than $5, but I think I'm going to change that to less than $4. And I don't want to post anything that costs more than $34, or actually $35. So this alone is one keyword that could populate an entire store of bulk items. Granted, you wouldn't have a perfect variety because it's all derived from one keyword, but this particular keyword has a good amount of items that are like, it's hard to explain because most people are used to the optimization perspective. But from the bulk perspective, all that you really care about is you're avoiding categories that you know are associated with problems, and you're finding listings that are of actual items. And these are all actual items. Like, they're all different items. I can tell very quickly from looking at that page. But let's look further into it. Okay, we still have variation of items. You'll find that a lot of Walmart search results are just pages of tires and like printed items and other kind of fodder. But by enabling 2-day shipping, you eliminate most of those. So you tend to be able to find very good results. And I personally believe that this keyword is strong enough that you could just use this alone and post items and do it profitably. Definitely in fourth quarter. In the other quarters, you might need to have some practice to do it profitably. But this alone is a lot. And that's one of the real big positive things. What makes a positive keyword? It's not so much about categories, because with bulk, you don't really do a whole lot of product research. That's kind of the goal, is to create a store that tells you what to sell, right? All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope that kind of explains things and helps a little bit, at least understand what a good keyword and category is from my perspective. All right, guys, ciao.